Alright, my name is Sean Ackerman, and this is my project. First, we have the total sales per region, and it's color-coded to show which region did what. Then we have the sales by state, and instead of showing every state, we have the top selling states and then the bottom selling states, with the bottom one being Iowa. And then we broke it down farther and did sales, like the category, like life, auto, health, disability, and renters, and we broke it down to which region sold the most of which. And then for the sales per person, we have it for region, and then who sold the most to who sold the least. And now it's color coded to which region did what, and then the total they sold. And this is my dashboard. So I put in my story the region with the most amount of sales was the Midwest region, and they had a total of 12.79 million, compared to second, which was the Southern region, which had 12.34 million. I also put the sales with the 100K that are below 100K, and that was Wyoming, Oregon, Rhode Island, and Iowa. So they were the underperforming parts of the region. And the state with the highest amount of sales was New York, and the lowest was Iowa, with a large difference in between. Then the life insurance that has the best overall annual sales for the year was the renter's insurance. The life insurance had the best overall sales, and renter's insurance had the lowest overall. And then the region with the highest overall auto insurance sale is the Southern region, and then the lowest overall was the Northern region. I also had the salesperson in my story with the most overall sales, which was Frank, and his total was 4.347 million. And Tom had the most sales from the Midwest region, Jennifer had the most from the Northern region, and Peter from the Southern region, and Frank from the Western. And that's all I have. Thanks.